Dialing in coffee to our ever-evolving palate means we got a lot of moving parts. But even so, we can still wake up in the morning and brew a quality shot of espresso. We just gotta use a recipe, like we see in baking. We might try changing up the ratio and tasting differences before finalizing a recipe. But once we get a shot that we like, keeping it the same each time we brew is gonna make the coffee consistent. We'll call this How to Brew Awesome Espresso Every Time. And the recipe's got 3 steps in this order of importance. Step 1, how much ground coffee goes into the filter basket. Step 2, how much liquid espresso comes out of the portafilter. And step 3, how much time from moving the brew paddle to stopping the shot. We're gonna decide what numbers go with each of those steps depending on the coffee we're using and the ratio that we're liking with it. Our recipe will be designed around the coffee that we're using. Say we start with a modern medium roast coffee blend. We'll use the 17-gram basket for that and put 18 grams of ground coffee into it. We're gonna go for a normale ratio. Multiply 18 by 2, and that gives us 36. Therefore, we'll pull 36 grams of liquid espresso in 25 to 35 seconds. For example, I'm gonna aim to extract 36 grams of liquid espresso from 18 grams of coffee in 30 seconds, which is gonna give us our target ratio of 1 to 2. Now, because we are weighing everything out, if our espresso is tasting off and we notice it's flowing a bit fast, such as less than 20 seconds, we can change our espresso grind size to keep it matching the recipe. Don't be afraid to try big changes in your ratio or different coffees. But when you find a coffee that you like, in order to be repeatable with your brewing techniques and to find its best taste, stick with the same one for some time or until you're comfortable.